Today I'm going to curl my hair for the first time. I have never curled them before because I already have curly hairs, as you can see a little bit. I was really insecure of my frizzy and curly hair, but just stopped straightening my hair because I like the way they are. Let's go. It's from Agaro and let's try it on. It's my first time. I don't know how to curl, but still, let's go. The weird thing about my hair is that they're curly from here. You can see they're a little curly hair. And then they're straight from like here, from the top. From the top they're straight. And then when they go down, they're curly. And I think I really like this. Oh, it's on. I'm scared, guys. Scared. Okay. So let's try the first strand. I'm going to take this portion. Ooh. Okay. I can see the vision. Oops. Let's go, guys. This is how you do it. You can also roll it like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And we're good to go. So okay. Wow. This looks so amazing, guys. It's not like my natural curls. Yeah. And they are amazing. Okay, let's go with another strand. Let's go with this. Oh, why is it blinking? Why is the light blinking? You can see the curls. I love my curls. Embrace your curls. If you have curls, embrace them. Do not straighten them all the time. That's stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am done. It's kind of straight from the top. So let's do it from the top. Ooh, I couldn't burn my skin. Ooh. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Okay. I kind of like it. It's not even taking a lot of time, girl. It's just taking 3 seconds. So yeah, it's really easy. Okay, so this area is already curled. Oh, Mingo at the back is staring at my curls. This looks crazy, guys. Looks better than before though. Because earlier my hair were quite frizzy. I'm quite impressed. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the result is really amazing. I didn't curl all of them because they're already curled, so I don't need to curl my hair, but it's amazing. So after curling, I'm gonna use this serum, Sunsilk Super Shine Serum. I don't usually do these things. I'm just doing it for you guys. So apply this on your curls. Sorry, a lot of you guys have complimented my hair before, and said that they look pretty and amazing, but it didn't seem pretty to me. I don't know why. I'm just insecure. Anyways, yeah, that's it for the video. Bye. Bye bye.